Welcome back to another episode of Current Affairs MCQs. Staying updated with current affairs is essential for success in any competitive exam. Let's discuss today's questions on recent happenings around the world. Consider the following statements regarding large language models, LLMs. 1. Large language models, LLMs, are AI systems that learn language patterns from massive datasets to generate and understand text. 2. They require explicit human programming of grammar and vocabulary rules to produce coherent language. Which of the statements above are correct? A. 1 only B, 2 only C, both 1 and 2D, neither 1 nor 2. Answer is option A. Statement 1 is correct. Large language models, LLMs, such as Gemini, GPT, DeepSeek etc. are built using deep learning techniques and architectures like transformers. They are trained on massive amounts of text data, enabling them to learn the statistical patterns, structures, and nuances of language. Statement 2 is incorrect. LLMs do not rely on explicitly programmed grammar or vocabulary rules. Instead, they learn these aspects implicitly during training by processing large datasets. They mimic human-like communication without possessing human-like consciousness or thought processes. Consider the following statements. 1. The Constitution mandates all the Supreme Court judges to make a public declaration of their assets periodically. 2. The RTI Act has pushed government officials to annually declare their assets to their respective cadre controlling authorities. Which of the statements above are correct? A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2. D. Neither 1 nor 2. Answer is option B. Statement 1 is incorrect. The Supreme Court adopted a resolution in 1997 which stated, every judge should make a declaration of all assets in the form of real estate or investment held in their names, in the name of their spouses or any other person dependent on them, to the Chief Justice. This was not a call for public disclosure of the assets of judges, only a disclosure to the Chief Justice. Statement 2 is correct. Public servants, unlike judges, are often mandated to declare their assets, and this information is often easily accessible to ordinary citizens. The RTI Act has pushed government officials to annually declare their assets to their respective cadre controlling authorities. In the majority of cases, these are available in the public domain.